Okay, so I'm going to do a recap today. This is Andrew, and now I just wanted to say that, so it was a really, really good day for me. It was a really, really nice day, thanks to PMCB and Pfizer. Pfizer was a really nice 920 trade that Brian called it. It's his signature trade. The strongest stock moving up, for about half an hour, 45 minutes. The first pullback on the 2-minute chart is a buy opportunity. We bought at 50.75, popped up towards 50.51, and then I added more at 51.16 for the break of high of the day, and I did, and it went up like a boss all the way up to 51.75. I still have some Pfizer. I still have 600 shares left on Pfizer, so holding this and see potentially we can go there. But that was a really, really nice trade that we did on Pfizer. No, I still have some ARK and TNS, the swing, back holding there. The trades that we did, Tilray, I had a trade that the open small share size, I got it stopped out. So Tilray was gapping up and sold off in the pre-market. Popped up for 1 minute swing range breakup, but it was below the VWAP, and I really don't like to take it long below the VWAP. It came up, I added just 2,000 shares just to see if we can close above the VWAP and move higher. It really couldn't, and then big drop, and I got it stopped out. It was like $600, $700 loss on it, even in the small share size. I really didn't expect this one coming, but at the same time, I wasn't really comfortable on the trade to make a big position because it was selling off. Still, we had trouble at the open. And then the low was another one that popped. No, it wasn't a low. It was another one that popped up and really didn't hold. It was ALF, I think. Yeah. So ALF also squeezed above the VWAP and popped up 990. I went long to see if we can get the breakout above 10. We didn't, and I got it stopped out just below 970. But the trade of the day was PMCB that I traded a couple of times. There was a couple of also halts as well. Let me see if I can just put this that one there. So yeah. So it was a couple of halts. So PMCB at the open was really, really strong. It was really active. Brian went long below 6 in the pre-market, 584. Popped up at the open, he held it, and he just ran it all the way up to 9. But unfortunately, I wasn't trading in the pre-market, therefore I had some issues with getting a good entry. Really held for 5 minutes here. I went long. I just got a little bit cool. We got out and then got back in there again at around 660. A little bit of hesitation here. Eventually popped up. I added more 680. Really heavy size. I had a really, really big size. And then popped up, sold some at 72, and then I got it into the halt. First halt, both Brian and I were in the first halt. It's really good when you get stuck on a halt with such a heavy volume. Popped up, sold more all the way up to 8, and then I added more. I got sold a little bit and then added more and popped up to 880, and eventually I got out everything at break even. So this one essentially was 2 trades. Let me bring the epic pen here. Where's the epic pen? My internet is really slow. How are you, Brian?
Good. Well, like I said, I couldn't. I woke up early this morning, couldn't sleep. No. I don't know. Should be able to.
Yeah. So that was it.
Yeah. Fortunately, I couldn't sleep this morning, so I got up early, and that's how I got my entry.
And then after that, I just jumped back in there 830 trade. I really didn't like it, and I took a smaller share size compared to these ones, and I got stuck in this on the way halt down. I got it stopped out, so that I gave some of the profit back here. But I got a smaller share size because I knew it was kind of over trading. It came back up again. These are all much smaller share size here. From 70, 80 popped up and it was squeezed. And then another one I jumped in there here at 825, 850. Again, I got it stuck into a halt. Sold some. I added more at 940, brought with my average to 9, but eventually I got out and as you see, oh yeah, look at this huge drop. So yeah, that was pretty much out for me. I mean, the PMCB was really nice, and I still have some Pfizer running up, ARK and TNA also running up. mRNA, I think Thor posted a really nice trade on targets. He did a really nice long. It's one of his signature trades out of S4. Popped up. He did a really nice long on target, and he did a really nice short on Apple. He's gonna post it in there. Brian wants to say something, but I can't hear Brian. Again, I messed up my system. Brian, I can't hear, unfortunately, you. I don't know if you're actually recording it or not, but I know you did
Okay.
trade the Pfizer. This one was your trade. You did PMCB in the pre-market, and
Yep.
you did something else too. Yeah,
Oh, I
unfortunately,
was
I
trying
can't
to
hear you
trade
because of what
Tilray.
I did exactly. But anyway, so that was a really good day. I'm in Alaska, guys. This is the last week in Alaska. I'm gonna go to Denali National Park tomorrow, and then I'll fly down to South America again. And next week I'll be back in Vancouver. Again, a little bit of traveling, but again in August, summer. So be a little bit patient with me. Thank you so much. Yeah, I know you can hear Brian. I can't hear. I don't know if we can record it too. I'm not sure if you can actually get it into the recording or not for the recap. But anyways, so apology. And yeah, so if you have any question about the bootcamp, John, email norm@pcapitaltrading.com. He's going to be the person. And yeah, so we appreciate the like or subscribe to our channel, guys, because it helps us grow. If you have any questions, leave it there. We're also hiring for big capital trading, both traders through our bootcamp and also a full stack developer. If you guys are in there, check my LinkedIn. There is a job posting there in downtown Vancouver, financial district, really nice office. So if you want to move into Canada, I'm happy to sponsor you too if you want to get your permanent residency or citizenship through Canada as well. My American friends, if you want to come up north, that's your chance. Yeah, and
There's lots of good
yeah, so
garbage
hopefully,
collection in the
thank
alley
you.
too.
And hopefully in September, maybe we can put a good Vancouver meetup. I invite every one of you guys to come to the office. Maybe we can have a grand opening with some of our traders. Perfect, guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, sorry about the last couple of days that I missed trading. It's also the timing is there. It's not even 7 o'clock in the morning. I want to get a coffee, and the kitchen is not even open, and we're done trading. Yeah, thank you so much. Sorry, Brian, for messing up this voice thing. And talk to you soon, guys.